Ever wondered why your camera, this expensive piece of technology, sometimes takes photos that look worse than your phone? It's because it's guessing. Today, we are ending the guesswork. By the end of this video, you lot will know how to switch your dial to M and stay there. We're demystifying manual mode in exactly 3 steps. Manual mode is just a balancing act between 3 settings. Think of it like a window with shutters. Aperture is how wide the window is. Let's say, for example, you want to open up the window very wide. That means you're shooting, let's say, f1.2 or f1.8. That depends again on your lens. That will allow more light into the sensor. And again, if you want to shoot a closed sensor, that's you closing the window, you want to shoot, let's say, f18 or f22. Shutter speed is how long the shutter stays open. A fast shutter speed, for example, could be 1/1000. This helps you to freeze action. A slow shutter speed could be 1/10, and that makes things very blurry. Camera Joint is a camera store based in Nigeria, Africa. Dealers of all photography gears and equipment, camera accessories, tripods, gimbals, video lights, everything you may ever think of. Anything that has to do with still and motion, contact Camera Joint. They've got the best equipment and also got the best price. ISO is the sensitivity of the sensor to light. A low ISO is clean, gives you very clean image. And then a high ISO would be bright, but then you also have to consider grains. Don't change everything at once. Use this 2026 workflow to get the shot every time. Step 1, set your intent, the aperture. Decide how you want the photo to look. Do you want a blurry background for a portrait? Set your aperture to the lowest number like f1.8, again f1.2 or f1.4. Do you want it sharp? For example, if you're shooting landscape, then you can try f8, f9. Also depends on what you want to achieve. The second step is to control your motion. That's the shutter speed. Now look at your subject. Are they moving? Are they static? If they are moving, then you have to take your shutter speed a little bit above 1/125 so that the hands can be in focus, the movement can be in focus, and there's no blur. Your last resort is the ISO. If your photo is still too dark after step 1 and 2, turn up your ISO. Stand at 100 and you can go up. These days we have cameras that have amazing ISO sensitivity. So for example, you can do 2000 without grains. So ISO should be your last option. The secret is that there's no perfect setting, only the setting that matches your vision. Your homework this week, go outside, set your dial to M and take 50 photos. You'll mess up 45 of them, but those 5 you will get, they are better than anything you could ever take with auto setting. If this helped you to understand your camera better, hit the subscribe button, like and share. Now go out and shoot.